Hi, I'm Tina Jimenez, and this year at ASA has been wonderful and a great experience. It's all about connection and really bringing the team of our L'Oréal family all together. And also, L'Oréal Professional brings nothing but the best of the education to Harriet Stokes, all the way from the UK, to just learning about AI and our financial tools. And things that really we learned last year and bringing into this year really come together as a really great connection. Thank you so much, L'Oreal.
Hi guys, it's me, Aubrey Harley. The gift would purchase from the #1 undisputed beauty brand in the world, L'Oréal Professionnel. And we're here at Artistic Signature Atelier 2026 live in New York City. And guess what? Education, inspiration, and most of all for me, I had a great time. Thank you.